Neuralink is a neurotechnology company with ambitious goals to advance brain-computer interface, BCI technology. Their mission to create a generalized brain interface has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and provide solutions to those with severe neurological conditions. Neuralink aims to develop BCIs that can restore autonomy to individuals with unmet medical needs and unlock human potential by allowing direct communication between the brain and computers. Neuralink's devices, such as the N1 implant and the R1 robot, are designed to transmit information between the brain and computers at the speed of thought. These devices use tiny, flexible brain threads for their neural interfaces. It's a significant milestone that Neuralink has received FDA approval to test their brain-computer interface on patients with severe neurological conditions. This shows that regulatory authorities are recognizing the potential medical benefits of BCIs. The PRIME study, which stands for Precise Robotically Implanted Brain-Computer Interface, is an important research project aimed at ensuring the safety of Neuralink's technology and evaluating its effectiveness in helping people with paralysis control devices using their thoughts. The study involves the use of the R1 robot to implant the N1 implant's ultra-fine and flexible threads in a specific brain region responsible for movement intention. Neuralink's initial goal is to enable individuals to control a computer cursor or keyboard solely through their thoughts using the BCI. The potential applications of BCIs are indeed groundbreaking, ranging from medical treatments for neurological conditions to enhancing human-computer interactions. It's an area of technology that holds promise for improving the quality of life for many individuals. However, it also raises important ethical and privacy considerations that need to be addressed as this technology continues to advance. Like and comment if you think this technology will change the way we live